Hey guys, welcome back to this session. And in this session, we'll talk about the importance of hyphen in paragraph, section, and variable names. So let's get started. So first of all, what is hyphen? So hyphen is basically a special character which is used as a punctuation mark to separate words or a part of words in a paragraph name, variable name, or any other identifier. So in COBOL, paragraph names are limited to 30 characters and may only contain uppercase letter, that is A through Z, or digit 0 through 9. And in between these, you can use hyphen. The hyphen is used to improve the readability of the paragraph in your COBOL program. In the following example, we have used A000-core-business-logic. So you can easily make out that this is the core business logic paragraph. And some of the modern compiler also allow paragraph name, division name, and other elements of COBOL to be typed in lowercase, that is lowercase a through z and digit 0 to 9. Now the next question is it possible to use hyphen in the working storage variables or the data item that you define in your COBOL program? And the answer is yes. Variables can be named using the uppercase character A through Z and the digit 0 through 9 and hyphen in between those combinations. The hyphen cannot be used as the first character of a variable name. In the following example, we have employee first name and it is defined at level 1, and if you look at the variable name carefully, we have used hyphen between EMP and first name. So this is how you can use hyphen in your COBOL program. So far if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.